happy baby fans. I am gonna try to make this video for you that I promised, so bear with me because I never do these kind of things. And I have a cold, so sorry for my voice, but hopefully you can hear me okay. So we want to start with the carrier laid out, if you can, with the safety label up, and I just keep the shoulder straps up and the hood out. It's just attached by the center snap. So we'll see that at the end. You're gonna start by folding down here, one side. I usually start with just the shorter buckle side, and it kind of naturally folds. You'll be able to feel where it wants to crease on its own. But it's the end of this square. So you fold that over and carry it all the way up to the strap. Same on this side. Fold it over. And then you just want to kind of fold your webbing in on itself so that it's not any wider than this portion right here. I'm going to keep it in there. Then you're going to go ahead and roll this twice upwards. So over once, over again, kind of a half turn just so you can grab it. You want to keep a really tight grip on this because we're going to flip the whole thing around. So hang on to that. When you flip it over underneath the hood, you want to reach into that pocket, grab it through here, so make sure you've got a really good grip on it, and then pull the fabric inside out around that roll. And you'll see that pocket start to form for you. Get the hood out of the way so you can see. So now we've got a little roll of a pocket with two straps hanging out. So onto the straps, how we fold these would be this little, it's gonna end up the length of this slider bar for the chest strap, which I love this thing. You wanna fold this under and then fold the whole strap in half, tucking in any of these straps and buckles that are flapping around. And then you're gonna take that piece and push it down into the pocket as best you can, and then we're going to do that with the other strap as well. Fold down that nub and then tuck in your buckles, fold it in half again, grab any loose straps and tuck it behind the first one. So now you've got everything contained in there, and we'll just wrap it in the hood next. So you can put this flap down, that part that goes behind their neck when the baby's in the carrier. And our hood's gonna go over, around the back, under, and then we'll be looking at the front here again. And then to finish it, there's two ways you can snap it. Either crisscross, so these two snaps are meant to snap together, so there's a male and a female end. So if you wanna use the first snap, you need to go across and to the part on the pouch, not on the hood, for it to snap. So you can close that one. Bring this one over here and just tuck in this extra fabric and do it that way. Or you can go straight up to the hood snaps with the second snap on the strap. So you'd go up and underneath and then tuck the extra strap under there.